Hey everybody, just want to quickly give you a look of this new Keurig that we have for our guests in our house. We have a main Keurig upstairs in our kitchen, but this one mainly is for our guests in our basement. So I love the color, mainly the white matches white kitchens or stainless steel kitchen or any kind of kitchen. It is up to 10 ounces. There's 10, 8, 6 as you can see, and there's the water holder in the back, easy to use, and it is your simple Keurig, for either for your own use or for guest rooms or whatnot. I just really like the color because it's just subdued and it's beautiful.